Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Rapid Flash Eyelash Enhancement Serum. I got this on the eBay for $11.96 plus tax. So the total damage on this is $13.01. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So there's another bubble envelope. Let's see. So it is brand new, seal in the box. In case you guys didn't know, this is Rapid Lash to make your eyelashes longer. So you will see like an enhancement of your lashes in 4 weeks. Visible improvement in the overall appearance and condition of eyelashes. So this one expires October 2022. And here's the direction. And this is made in USA. And here are the ingredients. And here's the barcode number. Anyway, let's go ahead and take this out and show you guys. So it is brand new again. Seal in this plastic wrap. And this is 3 milliliter. And count the instruction that's inside here. This one is in Chinese. And right here is a different language. Got all the languages over here. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.